Boone, Boone, are you with us?
I'm here. Can you hear
Hello.
me?
Yes. So first of all, well, you've been here for a few times, and
Thankfully.
yes, and you're great, and we love you. And also, it's nice. I don't know. It's nice to see you here. First because I could see like opportunity for a collaboration with like people who maybe want to participate in the hackathon in a certain way, or other court members, or maybe just other people in Catalyst. Also, I think you're a kind of an inspiring story because this week, not only we had 56 proposals funded, but we had several hundred proposals that were not funded this time
Yeah.
around. And you're such an inspiring story about just because you've been persistent and consistent, that you did get funded after I think in attempt number 2, actually, right? Like I think in attempt number 1 you got funded, but there was like no money in fund
Yeah, it
1.
was a fund 3 that Ada MakerSpace got funding for our dev lessons.
Yeah, so
And just to let people know too, we had a fund 4 proposal for the hackathon that wasn't funded, but that again isn't going to stop us from delivering a hackathon. So I just also encourage other people out there who weren't maybe funded this time, keep trucking on your ideas, and keep there's also consider joining the hackathon to make some progress and bring attention to your idea.
yeah, and I learned today that IOHK would give a small sponsorship too, so that's nice.
Yep.
Anyway, we're proud of you, and
Thank you.
I just wanted you to present a bit the hackathon.
Yeah, thank you. So we've got some, as mentioned, we had a fund for proposal. Unfortunately, we didn't get the funding for it, and that was our primary objective for it, was generating the prize pool for the hackathon. Thankfully, though, we've had some awesome brands, as you mentioned. IOHK is one of them that stepped up. Spakra and Akamfi have all agreed that they are going to be contributing ADA to the prize pool. And so sometime this week, the prize pool will be growing from those sponsorships, and we're very thankful and excited to be working with them. But one of the ways that we're helping to work with the community and also share some cool NFTs that are on the Cardano blockchain is we've created some prize pool faucets, and we have a commemorative trading card that we're releasing that to highlight those that made this hackathon possible. And the cool thing that you'll be able to do in the future with these trading cards is Ada MakerSpace is going to have some trading faucets where if you have this trading card and send it in with ADA, you'll get the trading card back with some other unique, cool NFTs that we're developing. So this is a cool way for you to not only get a unique NFT on a unique token on the blockchain, but also support the prize pool for those taking part in the hackathon. So when you send 5 ADA to this, the prize pool, 2.5 ADA will end up in the prize pool. You'll also get back 1.6 ADA and the commemorative trading card. If you want to switch slides, please. And on a slightly larger scale, if you want to contribute a larger amount to the prize pool faucet, which would be awesome, we've created the contributor coin. And the contributor coin has some really cool things in the background going on. That there's a game called Cornucopias that is being developed by a Rob Gregg, a community member who's been in the Cardano ecosystem now since Fund 1. And they're creating a really awesome game for Cardano, and they're partnering in collaborating in the bringing the event, and they'll be helping us develop a virtually virtual space for people taking part in the hackathon to collaborate in. So if you are interested in supporting the prize pool faucet with a little bit more ADA, you can send 25 ADA to this prize pool faucet, and 20 ADA will go into the prize pool wallet, and you'll get 2 ADA back and one contributor coin. And in the future, you'll be able to exchange this contribution coin in the game Cornucopias. So this will be a cool token to get your hands on early. Next slide, please. This is what our prize pool is at right now. So you can see Spakra has already contributed 100,000 space coins. They'll also be contributing some ADA this week, as also IOHK will be, and Akamfi. So we're hoping to get this prize pool just from sponsors up to about 3,000 to 4,000 ADA by the end of this week. And so we'll be excited to have that available for those taking part in the hackathon. But there are also lots of other tokens will be available as rewards for taking part in this hackathon. So you can see right now some of the tokens that are in there. But this is also an opportunity for anyone in the community. If you have tokens that you're working on or projects that you're bringing to the ecosystem, and you want to bring attention to your token by contributing it as an award for prize for those taking part in the hackathon, this is a great way that you can donate some of your tokens to the prize pool, and will bring attention to your token and also support those who are building in the hackathon. Next slide, please. For any information about the event, you can visit our website, follow our lessons on YouTube, stay up to date about what's going on around our airdrops and events on Twitter and Medium. And if you have any questions about partnering or sponsoring or getting involved in the hackathon, we're always glad to collaborate and hear ideas and brainstorm with people. So feel free to email me or Andrew, and we will be glad to talk with you sometime. So thank you very much for this opportunity to present the hackathon. And also, again, anyone that's out there that is looking to build on Cardano, I encourage you to register for the hackathon. We have 85 people signed up right now. And by the end of this week, we'll have our full schedule up. And there's some really great thought leaders that will be sharing some insights and AMAs during the event as well.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a bit like what's the vibe gonna be like compared to other hackathons? And also will there be like specific tracks? What's the can you tell us a bit about the structure?
Yep. So one thing that we're doing different than a lot of hackathons do. So generally, you come into a hackathon, you get on a team, that team has to win the hackathon, and then that team will receive prizes. So we'll have something similar to that in the prize pool, that the top 3 teams voted on by the community will receive a portion of the prize pool. But we'll also have a time-based aspect to this, that when you log into the virtual event space that will be coming out pretty soon, it will actually kind of track your involvement in helping different teams and your participation in AMAs and workshops and stuff. And so everyone who participates in the hackathon will be receiving tokens from the prize pool. So that's a really unique thing. And then the other thing is where Akamfi will be presenting a few challenges, well, at least one for sure, maybe more, and those are unique challenges similar to what you kind of brought up, Dor, which I think is a great idea. For Kyle's tool, there's a lot of, we could also do this same type of thing where, there's unique challenges for certain things, but Akamfi will be offering a challenge, and they'll even be presenting OCC tokens to the winners of their unique challenges. And I believe they're even going to be offering free spots in their accelerators to the top teams voted on by the community. So there's a lot of opportunity, if you're an entrepreneur and a dev, to learn about things coming up in the Cardano ecosystem and ideas being built. So this will be a unique event. It'll be similar to hackathons, but it'll also have some unique things that most hackathons don't offer.
That's awesome. Cool. Okay. I think you're gonna get to way more registrants by the time you.
Yeah, I think so again, we've really just been focusing on trying to find some partners to help us bring the hackathon to the community. And now that we've got some sponsors and brands on board, we'll actually start after this end of this week, when we finish our schedule, we'll really start promoting this event. But we're excited that we already have 85 people signed up, and the only place we've really shared about the hackathon so far is in town hall. So once we start our bigger marketing thing, we're expecting a pretty good turnout and look forward to seeing what gets built.
Yay. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.